Welcome to our channel Android Development Lab, and I am Alex, and I am today back here with another new video. And today I will be teaching you how to port any Nougat base ROM for any MediaTek chipset. The MediaTek chipset means the chipset like MT6572, MT6582 and MT6592 and also MT6580. So we'll be porting a Nougat ROM based on any chipset like I mentioned earlier. So we need two different ROMs. The first one is base ROM. So I am taking Lineage OS as a base ROM, and the second one is port ROM. Now I am taking .os as port ROM because I will be porting .os for my device, that is Micromax E313. Now the important thing that you need to remember is the port ROM and the base ROM should have same chipset. For example, I am porting MT6592 and I am using the same chipset as base ROM MT6592, and the more important thing you need to remember is the kernel. The base ROM should have the same kernel and the port ROM should have the same kernel. So Lineage OS, which is the base ROM, has the kernel of 3.4.67 and the port ROM which has the kernel of 3.4.67. So let's start with the porting. Now these two files are the basically zip files that I have extracted. So extract the base ROM and extract the zip ROM. So open this folder, and I will also be opening this folder. So I'll be managing this folder like this for easy access. So here it is. Now what you need to do is first go to Meta-INF, to come to Google, to Android, and similarly go to the same place on the another folder. Now you need to change the mount point. So click on edit with notepad, and similarly edit the mount point here as well. Now the mount point is something different. For example, you need to select data mount point and system mount point. So something it will be like this one, MMC this. So you can see it's here, and it's here. So this is the Lineage OS. So it has the mount point of MMC BLK05 P5. So let's check what is the mount point here. So yes, this is the same mount point. For example, if your base ROM has a mount point of 6 or 7, change this mount point 7. So basically it was 5, so I need to change, and this is the mount point for eMMC. Similarly, you have to change the mount point wherever you get. It is at 2 or 3 different places. For example, it is also at here, you can see. So compare this mount point with your base ROM mount point and change the mount point. So after doing changes, please click on save as. Okay, now this is done. Now go back. Now you need to go to the system folder, and here the same process again. Edit with notepad, and also in the same portion edit with notepad. So this is the ROM for lava. So basically I am not putting it for lava, it was already ported for lava, so I will be putting it for Micromax. So click Ctrl plus F, click on lava. Now here go to replace. Now replace this lava with your device model. For example, my device model is Micromax, so I will be replacing MICROMAX. So replace all. So now you can see this is Micromax and this is Iris X8. So I need to replace this as well. So I'll be clicking on Iris X8 because this is the device model and my device model is E313. So replace all. So I have replaced all. So now you can see everywhere E313, E313, E313. Now E313, this is required. Now here in this section you can put your own name. For example, I want to write my name ROM by Alex. So this will be displayed at the button section of about phone info. Now you can also change this one, security patch info, and the ROM build date. Probably this is the ROM build date, so you can change this. Now another person you need to enable is screen density. Now this is the most important section. You need to enable screen density according to your device. For example, the command is ro.sf.lcd_density. So here it is. So compared with the ro.sf of your device. Okay, where it is? So here it is. Now this LCD density has 280 pixels. So put here according to your device. Your device may have 200, 240, 320, and this is done now. So now the last option, what you need to do here is enabling or disabling soft keys. Some device have soft keys, back button, menu button and select button on their mobile phone. Some don't have the navigation key. So you need to enable the navigation key by the command qmu sw.0 main key is equal to 0. If you keep this 0, navigation key will appear at your mobile. If you don't, navigation key won't appear. So keep this as 1 or 0 according to your wish. And now same process, click on save. Okay, so now this is also done. Now the now you need to replace some of the media files. So I have given a porting guide on my website. You can check the guide there. So go to the folder, etc folder. Now replace this folder as I have mentioned here. Bluetooth firmware Wi-Fi APN, yes. Bluetooth firmware Wi-Fi APN, and this APN is SPN, APN is SPN, APN is, where is SPN? Okay, alright, it's here. So these numbers of files are selected. copy these files, paste it over here. Now this is done. Now the next process is selecting the lib files. So go to the lib folder, now you need to fix some of the audio bugs. So here are the number of files and that are given that you need to replace. So here is a HW folder. Now replace some of the files. For example, this is audio.mt6572 and this one SD composer mt6592.so. replace this file and paste it here. Now go back. Now you need to replace some of the files again. So replace these files as shown here. Audio primary is not default. Lib camera custom.so, lib dpframe.so, lib feature io.so. Now these 4 files are important for Micromax E313, so I am replacing it, except that you can replace all other files given here, but I am only replacing these files. Okay, I may replace one more file, libmali.so. Where it is. So here it is. So copy these files, replace here. Now you are done. Now the final step left is the boot.img porting. Now you are done with this. Now you need to port this one and this one. Now the first important thing about boot.img is you need to extract how to extract this boot.img file. So I have a software. I have given the link of the software in the video description, so you can download. Now this is the boot.img exe file. So I will first extract this file. How I extract? I will just copy the file here. Now there is a formula. Now go to this, open command window here, write boot.img.exe unpack unpack boot.img space boo.img. So hit enter. So as soon as you hit enter, now these files are extracted. Now copy these files except the main software and create another folder, base boot. Move these files here. Move these files. So you have successfully extracted the boot.img of base ROM. Similarly, you need to extract the boot.img of port ROM. So copy this port ROM boot.img. Here I am missing one file. So copy here. Now the same process and the same command, boot.img .exe dash unpack boot.img space boot.img. So the file is extracted here. Now make another folder and name this folder as boot. Now copy this card this file and post your port folder. Now what you need to do is you need to replace two things. Now the two thing is now you need to copy the kernel and replace it here. Go to the init folder, slide to below, copy this file uninvented.rc and paste it on the same folder. Now this replacing is necessary because it will prevent the boot loop. Replaced. So you have successfully. Now there is no need of this base ROM, so you can delete it. Now open the same file again. Now you need to repack this whole thing. So Control X, Control V. Now replace. Same command, different command this time. boot.img.exe repack boot.img. So hit enter. So the image is repacked. So this is your new boot.img. Now copy this to this folder. So you have now successfully ported the ROM. Now this is the port ROM. Now you need to compress this and convert it to flashable zip. So now your ROM is ready. Now you can flash this ROM on your device successfully. Thank you for watching. Now if you have any doubt or query, you can just comment down in the section below. Thank you.